I'm obsessed. This is the best moisturizer I have ever used. इतने जल्दी क्यों भगवान? Was a nightmare. It's a controversial opinion, but that actually helped me. Pores almost vanish हो गए थे. Like कुछ भी हो जाए, वीडियो नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. So today's video is going to be products slash things that are helping me survive 2025. It's not even been 2 months, but January was equivalent to 4 months. Wow. 3 months. Like it was just not getting over. Comment on below अगर आपको भी वैसा लग रहा था. And in fact February is also going like very slowly. So these are some products that internet made me buy or they are helping me survive this year. As I said, we have all the categories possible in this video. We have hair care, body care, skin care, makeup, and also gadgets. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first and foremost, I want to officially announce that I'm an iPad girl, you guys. I have become an iPad girl. I never thought I will be. I have always seen these like YouTubers always talk about their iPads and iPad refresh and the widgets and the games and the apps, and I always used to watch those videos and I'm like, मैं कब लूँगी? And then I finally bought this as my birthday gift. I turned 28 this year on 26 January and I had not gifted myself anything, so I got myself an iPad. This is the iPad Air M2 chip and it is the base variant 128 GB because I knew that I am not gonna save heavy data on this, so I didn't have to buy like a 1 terabyte because my phone is already 1 terabyte, which is a 16 Pro Max right now. So I didn't need like heavy storage, so I went for the big. Sorry, silent. Yeah, coming back to the topic. So this is how it looks like. I've already done the unboxing video on my Instagram and also on Shorts. You can go ahead and watch it. It's beautiful and you're gonna see a lot of shorts or maybe long formats about iPads. Let me know if you are also an iPad girly and what all apps I need to have. I currently am having Procreate, LumaFusion and some games here and there. The Lake app for painting, I'm loving those. So let me know if you like can suggest some apps and even I'll do my research and I'll make a video about it. But yeah, that's about it and I'm obsessed. This is actually helping me survive. I'm not even kidding because Jan was a very heavy month for me, like mentally exhausting. Naya shaadi hone ke baad, it just like looks very beautiful on the internet, but you know, behind the cameras it's like we struggle a lot because suddenly you're put into this ki sab manage karna hai akele, pura ghar sambhalna hai and all of that. So it comes with a lot of pressure. Plus when like I had taken a break from November from work and suddenly, you know, jumping back into the shooting schedule and everything, it was difficult. Plus my husband Sahil had a lot of projects outstation, like he wasn't in Mumbai, so I was feeling extremely lonely. So this is actually helping me. ये तो मैंने अभी लिया है, but that is why I wanted this so that you know I can pass time, and painting is something that I love. If you're an OG Mau fam, you know like how obsessed I was with painting back in like school days and stuff. So yeah, I think I'm gonna, you know, retouch. क्या बोलते हो उसको?
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So yeah, I guess I'm going to reconcile with myself, the old me, via this iPad. Okay, let me see on my iPad कि मैंने क्या क्या notes बनाए हैं आज के वीडियो के लिए. Now I don't have pen and paper, you guys. I have notes.
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग.
Amazon Light and Suction. Okay. Like वो भी जो फोन के पीछे स्टिकर लगाते थे, वो अभी जूना हो गया, ठीक है. अभी this is the new age technology.
ये तो लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ है.
Now this is a suction device which comes with this MagSafe. Now this will only work for iPhones if I'm not wrong. And this phone, कितना भी heavy हो, it just sticks. Okay. Now this is how it looks like. And then this part, there is an on and off switch. You can literally stick this anywhere. Like I can stick, it's already stuck, and you have to just go on and off switch. आपको चालू बंद करना है. This gadget is something that internet made me buy. This is available on Amazon. I will link this for you guys. If you are a content creator, this actually helps a lot other than having like a tripod everywhere. This will stick on basically everywhere unless like the surface is very ubad-khabad तो नहीं चिपकेगा, but like walls, लकड़ी, granite, then कांच, mirror, everything, and the hold is so strong. Plus horizontal कर सकते हो आप, vertical कर सकते हो. You can shoot however you want. Safe to say that I'm obsessed with this product only because it's not that expensive, also very compact. I mean, you can just throw this in your purse or your bag and you're good to go. You don't have to carry like a big tripod if you want to shoot yourself wherever you go, like while traveling. So yeah, moving on to the next product that I'm obsessed with is this light that I'm using right now. It's not like a big huge Godox, you know, softbox or anything. It's a very simple Amazon panel light. मुझे मेरे old videos की याद आ गई because I had a similar light from Simpex or Digitech and it was very cheap and very heavy, and it used to be like a pain to, like, you know, put it on the camera and stuff. But yeah, this light is not like that. It's very like sturdy yet not that heavy. It comes with the tripod, it comes with different modes, it has its own remote. It's the perfect light for beginners and also for people who are not beginners like me, because I feel the Godox lights that I have, which look like this, they are massive, they are bulky and very heavy. So एक इंसान का काम नहीं है. So when I have like creative shoots, when there's the, you know, entire team is there, the videographer, editor, everybody is there to help me, then it's fine. But when I shoot on my own, मुझे बहुत कंटाला आता है and plus उसको dismantle करना भी बहुत difficult हो जाता है. And I don't have, like, now that we both have shifted to this studio, I cannot even keep those lights open जैसे मैं पहले रखती थी, because I was not sleeping here. Now I stay here, right? So that is why I wanted a light which is not that difficult to, you know, assemble and dismantle. This is a well lit light and it's not like it's this much only, okay? So you can literally carry this while you travel. Also, hydrate yourself, guys. Alright, moving on to hair care. I have just 3 products to talk to you guys about. Before that, I know some Maufam members are upset with me that I cut my hair, but trust me, I cut it for a reason. So I was diagnosed with, I don't know if this is a term, but my dermat told me, I guess if I'm not wrong, he said it is scalp eczema. Okay, so basically my scalp was shedding itself. It was not dandruff. It was like every time I wash my hair, literally like उस दिन पे ही, मतलब अगर मैंने 10 बजे बाल धोए सुबह, 12 बजे जब बाल सूख जाएंगे, my scalp will have like white weird residue falling from my head. Like it was a nightmare. Trust me, my hair must have looked very long and this, because I used to style them that well because of Dyson. मेरा hair styling बहुत बढ़िया था, which was causing a lot of damage. And I always believe that rather than growing longer unhealthy hair, you should cut them and have like healthier short hair. Now the shampoos that I'm obsessed with, which have helped me survive that phase, was this. Now this is the Hyaluron Pure range. It's a new launch and this is specially meant for oily scalp. Now I don't have oily scalp, I have combination scalp type, but because of this eczema situation, it was like my head was very itchy, and when I started using this, मैंने 2-3 बार ही use किया इसको, but it gave that cooling sensation. It has salicylic and hyaluronic acid and it has that gel consistency. It just feels so good, thoroughly cleanses your scalp but does not strip out the moisture. But this is my holy grail. Like everybody in my house uses this. मैंने बहुत टाइम इसके बारे में बात किया, मैंने बड़ा बाटला खरीद लिया अभी. You can see मैंने कितना यूज किया है. Every time something goes wrong with my hair, I turn towards this shampoo. This is the Loreal 6 Oil Nourish shampoo. Best shampoo ever. Lathers beautifully, cleanses your scalp beautifully. This is just a beautiful bottle. You need to get this. मैंने छोटा साइज खरीदा है. This is the Moroccan Oil Luminous Hair Spray with strong hold. Now when I was styling my hair a lot, the curls, Dyson curls, I needed a hairspray and I was using this. Does help. I mean, this is not something that I would recommend on a daily basis because hairsprays रोज use नहीं करने चाहिए, but whenever you do curls, this can work. और मैंने छोटा साइज इसीलिए खरीदा because I did not know if this is gonna work or not, but surprisingly it is. So I will maybe invest in the bigger size in the future, but for now this is working great. Alright, moving on to body care products. I have some pharmacy products and then I have some Plum BodyLovin products. Let's talk about the Plum BodyLovin ones. Now, everybody knows about this. This is the Plum BodyLovin Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion. Cocoa butter. I have literally used like half the bottle, you guys can see. I have the bigger size as well. This has won the Elle Beauty Awards in 2024 for the best body lotion. Everybody knows about this and this smells divine. Sahil bhi isko bahut ढापता है मेरे से. He also loves this body lotion. This makes you smell so good, like cookies. I personally love it. I honestly layer this with my perfumes because I have like the taste of a vanilla gourmand flavor of perfumes, like the scents. So this really pairs with those perfumes well. So I just use it on my body all over after I take a shower and just spritz perfume while the body lotion is on my body, and it lasts so well. But they have come up with a new body lotion lotion. This is called the Plum BodyLovin Lily Mist Sunshine Body Lotion with SPF PA+++. Now this is perfect for your beach vacations, okay, or in general, of course, when you are stepping out of the house, you need to put some protection on your body as well. A lot of people always ask me, Mau, why is your face and your body of not different color? It's because I use sun protection. Either you put like sunscreen sprays, or you can go ahead with something like this. This has a scent of lilies, zesty lemon, and also a hint of musk. Okay, and this will actually give you that instant cooling effect when you put it on your body. It has aloe vera and niacinamide, and because of that, it will give you brighter looking skin over time and also help you get rid of tan. This will give you hydration plus protection. This hydrates your skin for up to 72 hours, which is a great deal. I love the texture. It's very, very lightweight, not that sticky on your skin. All in all, a great product. You guys should definitely check it out. I have a coupon code called MANS15, which will give you some discount on their website and their app. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Let's move on to another favorite product, which is a foot care cream. Who remembers this right here? It's the Cotaril cream, you guys. Nostalgia hua na abhi? मेरे को तो काफ़ी हुआ, because I used to put this on my mom's feet when I was a teenager, or maybe I was in school. It's that old, and now मुझे use करना पड़ रहा है इसको, because I have cracked feet, you guys. That's something that I never wanted. I know I'm aging, I'm moving towards my 30s, but cracked feet इतने जल्दी क्यों भगवान? I know my skin is so dry. I was meant to get wrinkles and like drier feet like quicker than other women of my age. But this has been helping. This and one more cream that I'm going to show you, which is this. This is the NMF urea cream, and this also has a lot of like percentage of urea. Basically, urea is perfect for those pesky, dirtiest and driest part of your body. Knuckles, your elbows, your knees, your cracked feet. This really helps. So मैं ये switch करते रहती हूँ दो creams के बीच में. They smell pretty similar to each other, and the consistency is also pretty similar. Not that expensive. You can find them in your local pharmacies or on Amazon. I think I got both of them from Amazon, and I will be linking them for you guys. This has really helped. I clean my feet with like normal like warm water. Sometimes if I'm feeling fancy, I'll give myself a pedicure and stuff, and then pedicure मतलब बस पैर घिसती हूँ मैं और कुछ नहीं करती. And after that I put this and wear socks. And the next day, I have seen visible difference. Of course, my cracked feet, like the cracks are not gone, but they are not getting worse. Like every month it was getting worse. Now it's not happening. It's worse only, but it's not worst. I hope that makes sense. Alright, what is my next category, Mau? It's skincare. I need to talk to you guys about skincare because my iPad is telling me to.
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई?
Some people are gonna be so triggered. They're like, क्या कर रही है? पागल हो गई है लड़की. Anyways, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. गिर गया. रुको. 5 products from Medicube, and I'm obsessed with these products. This is like a Korean brand. It is not available over here. Like सारे products नहीं है available on Amazon, but they sent me a PR long back. But I was not experimenting with my skin before the wedding. I was keeping my skincare very minimal. मैंने ज़्यादा sponsored content भी active ingredients वाले नहीं लिए थे. All these products are active ingredients. Okay, so let's talk about the toner pads. I am obsessed with toner pads. Why is nobody obsessed with toner pads, you guys? It's so good. Like all these 3 toner pads, they are my favorite. Okay, let's talk about the first one. This is the Medicube Red Succinic Acid Peeling Pad. I hope that is how it's pronounced. As this is the Succinic Acid 0.5%, Panthenol 0.5%, and Niacinamide 2%. Now these are like peeling pads. It's not actually like it doesn't peel your skin immediately, but it helps to reveal the softer skin and gets rid of pigmentation. This is having like a blood red kind of color. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like a very carrot type color. Has a very typical scent of like skincare. I am obsessed with this. All these toner pads have helped me. Next up we have the Medicube Deep Vitamin C Pad. It has vitamin water, 50 lakh ppm for all skin types. So vitamin C is a very tricky serum when it comes to my skin. There are only certain brands के vitamin C's that work on my skin, and I am very picky about my vitamin C. So when I started using it, I did feel a little bit of photosensitivity the next day, but now my skin is used to it, and I have seen a major difference in like getting rid of my scars. So I like to use vitamin C wala product at night. not in the morning when I'm gonna head out of the house. I feel my skin is too sensitive for that. You can use it in the morning if vitamin C is not something that triggers your skin, but my skin is sensitive, so it triggers me. So I use it at night, and I use it only once a week. Now I have a skin cycling routine. Let me know if you guys want like an honest skin cycling routine where I track every day ka skincare, what I'm using, or like what is breaking me out and what is not, and what is working. So this is something that I use only once a week at night. And then again, this has made a major difference in my skin. This is the Medicube Zero Pore Pad 2.0. Now these two will take time to show results, but the blue one will show you result in like literally one day. मैंने रात को ये लगाया था फर्स्ट टाइम, और जब मैं सुबह उठी थी मेरे पोर्स ऑलमोस्ट वैनिश हो गए थे. लाइक एक्चुअली इसका जो नाम है जीरो पोर वो वैसा ही है. सो इफ यू डील विथ एक्सट्रीमली लार्ज लाइक पोर्स ओवर हियर, this is something that is gonna help you a lot. Mind you, this is a very strong ingredient. I will attach the details on screen इसमें exactly क्या है, but this will make your skin a little sensitive, and if you overdo it, it will damage the skin barrier. So only use it once a week and then see how your skin is acting to it. And don't forget to use a good moisturizer after this, like Topify moisturizer on top of this, even if you have oily skin. Moving on to these two products. Again, this is like the jelly which you use it with the Medicube Booster Pro device. I have the device, I've bought it myself. उन्होंने भेजा नहीं था जब वो उन्होंने PR भेजा था. So when I was in the US, I bought it, and I honestly like that product, but I wouldn't say that I have seen major difference in my skin. They are good, like the product, that device is good. So I can't comment on the jelly. The jelly is too heavy, तो oily skin वालों को तो इससे दूर ही रहना चाहिए. Only dry skin people can use this. But this moisturizer, however, oh my god, chef's kiss. This is the triple collagen cream, and it's for all skin types. This is the best moisturizer I have ever used. Now that I'm aging, I am concentrating only and only on hydration because I have dry skin. Okay, so wrinkles, fine lines, they only happen when you are not using good moisturizers and the collagen production is reducing. So if you have a collagen cream, you want to start on something, definitely check this out. It has a perfect consistency. It moisturizes and hydrates your skin, leaves your skin looking glowy. I am obsessed. Moving on to another Korean skincare brand. This is the brand called Aestura. This is how it's pronounced, I guess. Now this is not very famous like globally, but in South Korea itself, this is really famous. This is the Atobarrier 365 Creamy Mist, and this is like a strengthening barrier situation. And I think I've spoken about this in the past, but I want to again give a shout out because my skin was suffering and how. So this is a, I don't know if you guys can see the spray. It's so fine. So you can use this on the flights as well. Like when you don't have to touch your skin but still want to moisturize on the longer flights, this is gonna work like magic. I have been using this non-stop ever since I got this. This does not irritate your skin. This does not burn on your skin. This can be a great toner option in case if you don't want to use like the traditional toners on the cotton pad. This is something you can definitely check it out. If somebody is coming from the US, please get your hands on this. This is gonna change the skin barrier game if you are somebody who's struggling with that. Then I'm obsessed with another toner. बहुत सारा खत्म किया, अगर लग रहा है कि बहुत कम किया है, बट इतना भी टोनर खत्म करना is a big thing. This is the April Skin Artemisia.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Whatever. It is the rice essence toner with vulgaris extract. I am obsessed with this product. Again, my skin was suffering. I think it's because I overdid with this. So my skin barrier again got damaged, and that time these two products saved me. I was using this toner, like 2 to 3 rounds of this toner and this mist. That is it. And अगर मैं घर पे होती थी तो मैं SPF भी skip कर रही थी. I was like closing the blinds and sitting at home because it has so many chemicals and like complex formula of any SPF. It can clog your pores. So I was staying away from SPFs also. It's a controversial opinion, but that actually helped me. But yeah, these two products helped to get my skin barrier back to normal. Okay, lighting थोड़ी change हो गई है because sunset हो रहा है पीछे and there's no curtain in my kitchen. So enjoy. The video should not stop. कुछ भी हो जाए, video नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. Let's talk about some Amazon favorites. The first thing is this organizing drawer unit situation. Now these are stackable, so you can remove them and keep side by side as well. अभी मैंने नए मंगाए, like I already have these two. I hope you guys can see. ऐसा और एक है मेरे पास, and I needed 2 more, so I ordered ये जोड़ी. Now this is how it opens, like, okay. and you can keep stuff inside this. Now this is great for somebody who wants some storage in their bathroom. So if you know my studio room, like the main master room, उसका जो bathroom है उसमें एक vanity जैसा area है, and वहाँ पे मैं मेरा skin care, body care बहुत सब रखती हूँ, and I wanted certain makeup products and stuff to not get water in them. So that time something like this comes in handy because your products are protected and पानी नहीं गिरता है वहाँ पे. So yeah, if you are somebody who's wanting something aesthetic on their vanity, you can check this out. Rather than keeping your products ऐसे खुले में, you can keep them and they are dust free inside this. Plus you can see exactly इसमें क्या है. So you can actually, you know, organize also सब में cotton pads या फिर एक में सारे lipsticks or whatever. However you want to organize it, I feel it's very sturdy and good quality materials. That's why I called for 2 more. Moving on to another Amazon favorite is this. Okay, now this I carried to my wedding as well. Now this I bought before my wedding and I forgot to completely talk about it. Now this is huge. Look at the size of this. ये बहुत ही मोटा जाड़ा mirror है, but really sturdy quality. You can see all the pasara in my house. Don't mind that. But इसका ना पीछे connection है C type. Okay, and then this lights up. It has different 3 modes. एक on and off का है और एक intensity बढ़ाना है और एक mode change करने का है. So if you are somebody who's looking for a mirror which has light in it, this is your pick. It's very sturdy. ये नीचे का जो है वो metal है. I think it's iron or something. It's very sturdy and you can, you know, shift the angle as well. I think it's perfect for people who are wanting like a nice vanity mirror with light but also don't want like very flimsy ones. मैंने काफ़ी टच स्क्रीन वाले खरीदे थे but they were like not that long lasting. This one has stuck with me for a long time. I use this and abuse this rather, but this is going strong. Okay, in makeup, I just have 3 lip products that I want to show you guys and I'm obsessed with those. The first one has to be the Stila lip sketch pen situation, which I made shorts about or reel about just recently. You guys have really liked that reel and this is the only product that I use, and I'm not exaggerating. This is the only one that I use if I'm going out or whatever. Right now also I have used it on my lips, but उसके ऊपर मैंने एक lipstick भी लगाई है. This is a perfect stain. This is expensive, but I feel rather than using those lip stains जो इसे, you know, settle हो जाते हैं lip lines में और ज़्यादा टाइम रहते भी नहीं है, this is something that you can definitely invest in. If you are somebody who's into luxe makeup, Stila lip pencil, like the calligraphy pen in the shade Maya. Oh my god, I love this. Next up are these 2 lipsticks. Both of them have a very similar formula, rather almost the same formula I would say. This is from Rucha Beauty. I am using this shade called Glow on top of that lip stain of Stila, and this is the shade Glow as I said. I also like the shade Pookie जो मुझे मिल नहीं रही है, but this has such a beautiful formula. This is not transfer proof, okay, but if you know me, you know that I am okay with having lipsticks which are, you know, not long lasting. I don't mind reapplying lipsticks. In fact, अभी तो आ भी नहीं रहा है. Wow. So after it settles and you put a very thin layer, it doesn't transfer that much. It almost feels like you are rubbing some butter or mousse on your lips. I really like it, and the packaging is very cute. Plus your fellow YouTuber is doing it. Of course, you have to be proud about it. And the next product is from Nykaa. Now this is the Nykaa Super Light Lipstick in the shade Scarlet Sangria. इसका formula भी similar है Mrucha से. Very similar doe foot applicator, like a pointy one. Everything is pretty similar, and that is the reason why I like these lipsticks so much, because they are very comfortable on the lips. As you guys can see, the swatches are on screen. If you are interested, you can check these out. इसके links मैं दे दूँगी description में. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down what other videos you want me to do. Don't forget to follow me on my second channel called More Mau and my Instagram Manasi_mau1. All the links of these products will be mentioned in the description box below. So don't forget to check it out, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.